Okay, on to the next tip. So alias, let's see, alias hyprland.conf. So what I've done here is I basically just gave the hyprland configuration file an alias, alias name, I think. So what you have to do is pretty simple. Let me just show you quickly. Let's open a normal terminal that's big. So what it does is I can now just type in hyprland in any terminal. I just open a terminal, type in hyprland, and I can open my hyprland file. My beautiful hyprland file. So yeah, it's just a little alias. How you do that is by finding out, are you using bash or zsh? So just find out that. I can't remember the command now for that to check it, but just make sure which one you use. It's usually bash. So if it's bash, you basically just have to edit that bash file. So nano yeah, so nano and then ampersand /dot bashrc. Go into your bash file, just put this and then put this line at the bottom, alias and then hyprland. So you can call this anything you want. This is the alias name that you want to give it. Obviously I call it hyprland because for obvious reasons. And then it's equal nano and the path to your hyprland file. So it basically opens nano and put your hyprland file in nano, and yeah, opens it when you type in hyprland. That's it. Put that one little line in there. If you're using zsh, so it's nano, where is it now? There it is, zsh. You just scroll to the bottom and put that same line in there. Make it a little bigger. Same line in there. Put it in there. So it's just ampersand /dot zshrc. You can do that.